We're always looking for the best vendors, the best products, management tools. AcuMax has definitely been a key tool that we've used as we've grown for the last 20 years. In the last 20 years, I've never hired anybody without it. I would not know what to do without AcuMax on a daily basis. AcuMax helps me understand what I need to do as a leader within the organization to provide others what they need to be successful. In terms of development, training, hiring, recruitment, it's just become second nature, and I would say I enjoy understanding and having the secret sauce. I have multiple position profiles, multiple positions out there that require different sets of wiring patterns. But in terms of when I hire, no, I stick to it pretty close based on the position I'm hiring for, whether it's machinist position, tool making position, engineering positions, whatever those positions I'm filling, I'll stick to the suggestions from AcuMax pretty close. It's once I get those profiles and those individuals into the company, it's now kind of carving out their development path and what potential can they reach and what different positions or level of positions can they reach. But for the most part, I don't go off the reservation too often. Through delivering the results, delivering the reports, application and use in the workplace, once they see the company's not using it as a weapon or anything, they're using it to make us better, to get people in the right spots, to communicate more effectively, to provide the information in the manner in which people need it. I think there was buy-in, absolutely. At a minimum, you need to have your top managers, your owners within the company buying in, utilizing the tool, because at the end of the day, the folks who can have the most impact, your frontline supervisors, your managers, folks running departments, if they're truly utilizing the tool and giving other people working for them what they need to be successful, that's the true measure of success using AcuMax. I've been recommending AcuMax to people for a very long time. Anyone who, especially in these day and age, that people are struggling getting people, struggling developing people. Our average employee has been here 15, 16, 17 years, even through growth. We don't have turnover. We don't have a lot of the problems that you hear out there in the world of, I can't find people, I can't get people. It's just not been an issue for us, and it's a lot to do with our culture, how we run the business, but AcuMax is also a key contributor to that. Organizations that have a good culture and want to build upon that, it's an excellent way to take you to the next level. Go all in on it. The reports are fantastic. The subtleties help you see things more clear when things happen with individuals. And then you can use your skill set to help guide those situations in a positive outcome. The system is fantastic, one of the best systems out there. So I would tell people to immerse yourself in that, utilize Jay and the team for training, for breakout sessions, to learn as much as you can about the tool. The more equipped you are, especially as a leader in your organization and deploying that throughout your staff, the better you're going to be. So the more you understand the subtleties of how the tool works and the clarity of how it works, the better off you'll be able to get that system to where you need it to be within the culture of your organization.